Hi there and welcome to the Ericsson factory here in Tallinn. In this site we produce the latest and most complex radio and baseband products in the Ericsson radio system. As technology leaders we are investing and aiming for Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing in order to stay competitive for the future. That is why this collaboration together with Telia and Ericsson is so important for us. We need wireless connectivity to stay flexible. We need to connect around one device per every second square meter. And in this site we have 23,000 square meters, so it will be a lot of devices to be connected.
In cooperation with Telia, we have built dedicated cellular network in our factory for many use cases.
So there's been a lot of talk about 5G and the use cases, but here, together with Ericsson, we're really showing some good proof of concept. We're showing 3 of them. We actually had many more candidates when we started this collaboration together with Ericsson almost a year ago. We had a lot of ambitions, and it's really cool to see that it's coming through this day. And why did Ericsson choose Telia to work together with? It's not so strange. I mean, we were the ones to bring 5G into Estonia, and well, Estonia being in the forefront once more. So really great to be here in the factory and kicking off some of the most interesting collaborations here. And we take new technology really to the market, and we're going to see also this technology being applicable in other manufacturing sites, not only here in Ericsson. But this is a great start of a new technology being born.